everyone. Each Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing a really quick tip. So we're calling this 2-minute tips. And today's tip is all about one of my favorite school supplies, and that is Post-it notes. I absolutely love these, and I collect them because I have so many different colors and shapes of them. And not only is it fun for me, but it's also fun for my students to use Post-its. I like to use them especially during reading because my students can use them to mark specific things in their books while they're doing their independent reading. I can give them something specific to look for and give them a special kind of Post-it to mark it with when they're doing their independent reading. Or another thing I do is all the time my students have Post-its in their book boxes. I give them each a little pack of Post-its with different colors in it at the beginning of the year, and we make a little chart that is their reading with Post-its chart. So that every time they're reading, if they come to a spot where they have a question, they use one color of Post-it to mark it. If they were really excited about that part of the story and it was one of their favorite parts, they'll use a different color of Post-it to mark it. The tricky words that they come across, they mark. And if they make a connection or a prediction, they use a Post-it to mark it. To set this up at the beginning of the year, all I do is I have them take off one of each color of Post-it and they match it with one of these and put it on this side of the chart. We usually have to use a piece of tape to hold it on, but then it lasts for the whole year so that when they're reading, all they have to do is see a pink Post-it means I have a question, and then they can stick it in their book. And it's a really quick way to see how often they're stopping and thinking about their reading, and I can see what kind of thinking they are doing as they're reading too. If you would like my chart, you can head over to the Rock the Reading Workshop Facebook group and download your copy. You can also learn about other ways that I use Post-its in my reading workshop over there. The link is in my bio if you're watching on Instagram. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, you can click the link either in the description or in the comments down below. I will hopefully see you over in the Rock the Reading Workshop Facebook group. And I'll see you back here for another tip next Tuesday. Bye, guys.